Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn off Werun for storage on your WeChat app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your WeChat app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here. Then you just click here on settings. Then you come to settings window here and you just click here on my information authorizations. Then you come to next window here and you just click here on system permissions. Then it's going to take you to this window here. You click here on storage. Then you come to storage window. You just go down here. Then you come here to where on you will click, and it's going to show for you window like this. You click here on this color, and like you see color, it's gone. That's mean where on it's on off now. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you I get it. You just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.